Project Garv. Garv is a JPR Events initiative, a collective movement of like minded netizens towards removal of beggary and child labor by imparting quality as well as skilled education on a national scale, with Surat being the pilot project city in association with Srimati Shantaben Haribai Gajera Charitable Trust. Vision: eradication of child beggary by impartation of quality and skilled education and nurturing their talents in academics, sports, and arts, thereby creating a sustainable model city free of child beggary. Surat, the city of pride, a prime jewel in the crown of Indian commercial corridor, from one of the most prosperous states of the country, Gujarat. Surat has kept its fame as a city of diamonds and textile. But the golden glory of the city is at stake, as begging has become a serious issue crowding every nook and corner of the city, with children begging at traffic signals, railway station, bus stands, and many other places. Lack of parented care and attention, consumption of narcotics, socially marginalized children, children exposed to domestic violence, children exposed to antisocial elements, children in conflict with law and statutory bodies, children with behavioral disorders, street and handicapped children, children in refugee camp, and school dropouts. Here are some strategies. Preventive approach: baseline survey of slums, bus stands, railway stations, metro stations, traffic signals, markets, religious places, and places with tourist importance. Systematic and methodological planning. Promoting and setting up ECCE centers, that is, early childhood care and educational centers. Promoting school enrollments to 100% and follow up on retention. Support for skilled education and education material, vocational and skill development training for school dropout children, creating job opportunities for BPL, that is, below the poverty line. Formation of slum development committee with 50% women participation. Collaborative approach. Establishment of effective partnership is the essence for success of our mission against child beggary by creating a uniform platform with the involvement of government machinery and public. Involvement of state and central government for enforcing anti-begging laws. Involvement of the Home Department and RPF by conducting frequent checks and raids at public places, railway stations, bus stands, pilgrimage, and on suspicious days and occasions. Involvement of Home Department in facilitating the process of handling all children as per government rules and regulations. Involvement of state government in facilitating the process of adoption. Involvement of print, electronic, and digital media for magnifying various awareness campaigns and events. Curative approach. Detailed research on the background of child beggars of Surat, places of origin, reasons for child beggary in Surat through a systematic root cause analysis. Identification of locations of child beggars like bus stands, railway stations, traffic signals, markets, religious places, and places of other tourist importance. Rehabilitation plan of action for children who are begging. Admission to orphanage, 1 month nutrition program, 1 month motivational camp hosted by leading motivators and special leaders from India. 1 year specially designed literacy program, promotion of quality education, promotional skills with vocational training, followed by placements and rigorous regular tracking systems for follow-ups. Organizing medical camps for regular checkups, organizing personality development camps, organizing counseling for psychological disorders, and educational tours.